I'm Sakshi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be useful to all of you because don't we all want those beautifully toned high cheekbones and that super sharp jawline? Well, I also still have to get there, but we'll do it together. So I'm going to show you some of the exercises that I did, and it's my own personal experience that it actually helped me and I could see very quick results. Really, these are tried and tested, so you can definitely go for it. And of course, to get rid of that double chin, you also have to lower down your complete body fat percentage because you cannot pinpoint and lose weight in your body. So your overall body fat percentage should also go down if you actually want that double chin to go away and for your jawline to be visible and sharp enough. But you can do these exercises along with whatever you're doing right now for your workout regime, for your diet, and this will really help you to show results very quickly. And honestly, do these exercises every day for 1 week very sincerely, and you'll definitely see and feel the results for yourself in just 7 days. Okay, caution, these exercises do make you look funny, so make sure you do it when you're alone. Okay, so the first, in your center, we will be targeting all sides of our double chin. Okay, from the center and from both sides. Okay, so for the first exercise, get your chin up to a point where you feel the stretch on the skin of your throat. Okay, and stop at that point. From here, first with your closed mouth, you're just going to move your jawline up and down like that, staying up 10 times. So go up, stop at the point where you feel the stretch, and then do the stretch with your jawline for 10 counts. Now, staying at the same point, you will do the same jaw movement but with an open mouth. That gives you a better stretch. Okay, so stay there. I told you it looks very funny, so don't laugh at me right now because you'll be doing it yourself too. So do this first in the center position, getting your chin up, 10 counts with closed mouth, 10 counts with open mouth. Okay, this is your first part. Then turn to the side, diagonally upwards. Okay, again take your chin up diagonally upwards to the point where you feel the stretch on the skin and stop at that point. Okay, now do the movement with your closed mouth first. Now stay there and do the same movement with your open mouth. Okay, so now the same, repeat it on this side. Okay, so again get your chin diagonally up to the point where you feel the stretch and closed mouth, 10 counts, open mouth, 10 counts, come back to the center. I know it looks very funny, but it's very effective. So this was entirely a one set. Okay, so in the center, first chin up, 10 with closed mouth, 10 with open mouth. Right side diagonally up, 10 with closed mouth, 10 with open mouth. Left side diagonally up, 10 with a closed mouth and 10 with an open mouth. This is your one set. Okay, and do it 3 times in a go. Whenever you do these exercises, do this 3 sets in one go. Okay, and we'll move on to the next exercises now. Don't worry, towards the end of this video we'll go back from the first exercise and list all them down and see exactly how many sets and repetitions we'll be doing for them. Okay, now the next exercise, first again look up, get your chin up and push your jawline out. Keep your mouth closed, push your jawline out to the max where you feel the stretch, and then just move your chin in an arc both sides, feeling the stretch. And during the whole time your jawline has to be pushed out to feel the stretch. Okay, so get your chin up, jawline out to the side. When you complete both sides, that is your 1 count. Okay, so you can do around 8 repetitions of those. Make sure you feel the stretch in every exercise that you're doing because I can really feel it. Okay, Then the next one is also very easy. Just stay in the neutral position and push your jawline out and get it into the max. Okay, so push it out. Again, looks very funny, so don't judge me right now. In the first exercises, we are doing the same movement, but we are not getting our jawline into the max. We're just pushing it out. In this, you'll move it out and in as well. Now the next one, you have to fill your mouth with a lot of air, okay, like a balloon, and hold it for 10 counts, okay, in the center, first in the whole mouth, and then push the air to the right side, hold it for 10 counts, to the left side, hold it for 10 counts, okay. So right side, change left side, and relax. This again is your one set, okay, and you can hold it for as long as you want. You can increase the time a little bit slowly, and you can do around like 3 to 5 sets of this, okay, holding it, and it depends on you completely. The last exercise is very easy as well. Pout your lips out and pull your cheeks in, okay. So you have to hold this for around 10 counts one time. If you want, you can put 2 fingers here and just very lightly pull your skin upwards, very lightly, not too much, and hold it like that for 10 to 15 counts, 3 to 5 times at least, okay. So done with all the funny faces. This is my honest review for all these exercises because I have done it myself, and you can see my transformation right here. These pictures were taken like I think 4 to 6 weeks apart, but I can tell you this very honestly, if you do this sincerely, all these exercises, you will start seeing results in just 7 days, in the first week of when you do this, okay. Now let's go back again, revise all exercises, and let's see how many times and how many repetitions we'll be doing it, okay. First one was chin up, closed mouth, 10 times move your jawline, open mouth 10 times, diagonally upwards, closed mouth 10 times, open mouth 10 times, and again the other side, diagonally upwards, closed mouth 10 times, open mouth 10 times. This was your one set, the whole thing. Do this 3 times, center side side, center side side, center side side, 3 times, okay. The next exercise was to get your chin up, push your jawline out and move it in an arc. This is your 1 count. You can do at least 8 to 10. Feel stretch throughout, okay. Third exercise, staying in the neutral position, closing your mouth, pushing your jawline out and pulling it back in again to its max, okay. So again you can do around 10 to 12 counts of these, okay. Then the next exercise was to fill your mouth with air first, your whole mouth, and hold it for 10 counts. To the right side, to the left side, so this was your one set of this whole exercise, and you have to do it 3 times, this whole thing. Okay, so first your whole mouth, then to the right side, and push it to the left side 3 times and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Now the last exercise is to pout your lips out and pull your cheeks in and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, so and this also you can do it 3 to 5 times. So we have 5 exercises in total. Make sure you do at least 3 sets of all of these in one go. Okay, so all of these exercises together, 3 sets of each. This is your whole 1 set of face sculpt exercises, and this whole set you have to do at least 2 to 3 times a day if you want results in 7 days and you want to see the difference in your face and your double chin in 7 days. Okay, so do it like that. It is so easy, guys. And if you're doing a desk job, even if you're working from home, whatever you're doing, in between the breaks you can do this, and it is super effective from my own experience. So definitely try it out. I've been where you are right now, and trust me, you will see results if you do this thoroughly. Okay, and as I told you, I've done this personally myself, and you can see the difference in me in these pictures. These pictures were taken a few weeks apart, but I saw changes in my face in just the first week itself, because I was doing it in as many sets I told you to. So these were 5 very easy exercises to sculpt your face, get rid of that double chin, and have those nicely toned cheekbones. Of course, it can take a different amount of time for everyone to see results, but again, if you are doing it sincerely, nothing can stop you from having it, and you will see some results in the first 7 days. I can tell you that. If you do it 3 times a day, this whole set 3 times a day for 7 weeks, just for 7 days, you got it. So I hope that this video was useful to you and you liked it, and you will do it because this is something super easy to do and include it in your daily routine. That was all for today's video, guys. Hope you guys liked it, and make sure you do try it out and include it in your daily routine.